Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add a new wallet address on Coinbase. Okay, so if you've been wondering how to add a new wallet address on Coinbase, then this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a couple of step-by-step guides on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. Remember, you can log into your Coinbase account on the website, or you can choose to do so on the mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into the Coinbase account, you just want to go to the account tab. Once you're there, you can select the wallet or account that you want to add a new address to, and then you're going to click on add address. Next, you're going to need to enter the new wallet address, and once that's done, just confirm the address addition, and that's going to be set up for you by Coinbase. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add a new wallet address on Coinbase. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.